Hey, hello, what's up, people? Welcome back to another vlog. I think you guys are having a great day, and I am having one hell of a day, man. It's been a lot of work today. Right now, I'm going into the city to just get some of my work done, and I wanted to talk to you guys about something interesting that I've realized I've been applying the whole of my life, and it has worked out wonders for me. I don't know, I'm not that big of a motivation talker or something, but then I feel like it'll help a lot of people who are going through hard times or who are having something important to figure out, but then they're stuck somewhere. So, this technique that I use is really helpful. So, I'll tell you about that technique in a short while. First, let me get into the city and get my work done. Hmm. The time is around 7 o'clock in the evening on the Saturday. And oh, yeah, guys, I have to tell you something really important that the next week, I think that's the Valentine's Day week or something. So, we and some of our friends have planned for a ride towards Sri Salem. Fingers crossed, we are 80% sure we'll be going. 20% I've just given the benefit of doubt that if things don't fall in the right place. But all of us are mostly ready to ride. So that is one thing we'll have to watch out for. That is the next week. So I'll be posting up those videos in the coming weekend. So for now, let me get to the city, finish my work, and get back to you once I'm done. No, I'm pretty much booked for the weekend with this traffic when I'm going to come back. Oh my god, oh my god. It's been spanning for over a kilometer now. Oh, it's okay. It's important to get things done. Traffic's not something that I'm worried about. Okay, right now we are on the Vipra Circle Road going towards Gachibowli. So I'll see you guys once everything is done. Yeah, so I got my work done right now. I'm happy. Going back on the same stretch that I came from, this is the Vipro Circle Road again. Oh my god, the work just took 2 minutes, but then now this traffic is going to give me a big nightmare. So I thought I'll just go stop by Driven Cafe on the way so that I can talk to you guys about this important topic that I've been telling. I mean, it might not sound important to many people, but I felt it's good. Oh wow. It's a countryman. Mini Cooper, a Mercedes, a Range Rover. ये क्या है बीच में? अरे Lord Triber. So yeah. Okay, I'll just give you a hint of what I want to talk about. It is just the law of visualizing something. And you visualize it so strong every day, every moment, even unknowingly or knowingly, that it becomes a part of your subconscious memory. And unknowingly, everything will put you on the track to get that thing done. So that is one very important topic that I want to talk about, because it has helped me in visualizing a lot of important things. So let's see about that. Let me go somewhere, sit up for a coffee or something. I think I'll be going to the Driven Cave right here. I don't know, they changed the name of it. I don't know how to check what the new name is. So I'll go there, sit, drink something up, and then talk to you about it. 12 minutes after I cut the video before. It took me 12 minutes to cross this one signal. So right now, like I said, we'll be going to the Driven Cave. I just checked out in the Google. It's no longer called the Driven Cave. It's called the Motor Town Stories. So I'll just go there, get myself a good cup of iced tea or something, and then sit and talk to you guys about this. I am slightly confused. I forgot it's been a very long time I've come to this part of the city. So just give me a minute to figure out if it is in which building. Definitely not this. It's the one before the signal only, so I'm just gonna blindly get into this building. Because yeah, there it is. I see the cafe, it's not a problem. Cafe. Thank you. So yeah, Now it's the time that I tell you about the magical law of. I don't know what that law is called, bro. I gotta make up something for that. It's basically you visualize something so strong that it happens. There is something called the Murphy's law, that is our law of attraction or something. So that is when you think of something for a really long time, that happens. Let it be either positive or negative. So that's why the elders and the older generation people always say stay positive. Because unknowingly, knowingly, the things you think that positive or negative will affect and will take place really of what is going to happen. So yeah, that's pretty much it. No worries. Oh, wait, what? Why did I not see this? There's a Cooper, there's a Porsche, and there's a Mercedes. Crazy. Oh, the bike parking is right here. The problem is whenever we come to this cave, we come with the BMW guys. So you get to park right in front of the cave. But now today is a normal day, so that they don't let you park right in front. Okay, let's go see what's happening. Dude, really nice cars, man. Screw everything. The Porsche looks just amazing. Wow. Such a beautiful car. Yeah, like I was telling, this is the law of attraction, or I don't know, law of attraction is not the right word. But yeah, law of manifesting something so hard that it becomes a reality. Because मेरे खुद के story में, like in my own life, I found out that when I really visualized that I want to ride a BMW bike, go on long rides, these were the days when I was in my 12th or something. I visualized it really hard, even when I was in my undergraduation, college and all, that I used to keep telling my friends also, they used to get fed up, like, अरे ये बोलता रहता है, कब होगा पता नहीं. But then now you can see that, even though I'm not that big of a YouTuber or anything of that sorts, but then I'm able to ride a bike that is one of my favorites, and I'm able to do it every day. So you think, like, if you visualize something so hard that it happens really, I mean the whole universe, जैसे अपना ओम शांति ओम मूवी में बोलते हैं ना कि पूरा कायनात वो तुझे काबू करने के लिए हो जाता है, तो उस टाइप का सीन है. तो that is one thing I want to talk about. So something that is important is, like, you guys have to visualize the things really hard. ऐसा नहीं है कि एक दिन बोल दिया कि हाँ मेरे को ऐसा मेरा ड्रीम जॉब करना है और आई वांट टू ड्राइव दी स्कूल बाइक्स एंड ऑल. इट इज़ नॉट वन डे थिंग. इतना विजुअलाइज करो कि तुम लोगों को रात को नींद नहीं आना चाहिए. यू शुडंट बी एबल टू स्लीप. योर ड्रीम शुड बी सो हाई दैट यू शुड बी एबल टू स्लीप. तो तब जाके वो रियलिटी बन सकता है. यू हैव टू रियली look into things like that. अरे वाह, I'm talking in the video and then there are some cool bikes pulling out over here. Nice, man. So yeah, that is something that I want to talk about. ये चीज़ को पूरा सुनना, क्योंकि this law of manifestation is really important and you guys can get a gist of it. तो अभी मैं घर जाऊँगा and then I'll catch up with you again. Okay, like I said, imagine the amount of manifestation these people would have done to buy such cool bikes like this. Karthik, nice bikes. Yeah. Right now I'm going back home, so I'll just go home and then edit this video, basically. So let's go home. This is one place I'm scared of. क्योंकि अब इधर तुरंत यू टर्न मारना है. इधर यू टर्न और या मैं लेफ्ट लेके सीधा निकल सकता हूँ. I'm gonna do that. That's better. So right now we're riding through the. Am I recording? Yes. Right now we're riding through the financial district. This place gives you genuine foreign vibes, man. This doesn't feel like India. Clean roads, well organized roads. It's always fun to ride on these parts of the city. Very well planned. So we also had a dinner once at this place. I think it's called Globe Buffet or something. This was one place that we come sometimes. And as you know, the Driven Cafe is something that we visit a lot. So whenever I feel like I'm low or not feeling anything, I just go there, sit down. A lot of cool bikes show up, cool vehicles show up. I would suggest if you're going there, go on weekends, because on weekdays it's very bad. By the way, this is the US consulate who wants to get their travel visas and stuff done. Like, this is the place for you guys. A lot of cops and securities will be there, man. Obviously, if you get in there, it's like you're in US. Visa to mil hi jayega, but we don't know what Trump uncle is doing now. Okay, that's none of my business. I'm happy with our country, the way it's progressing. We'll reach there very soon, man. See, दूसरे देश को देख के, you know, appreciate them for their culture and stuff. But अपना culture मत भूलो. If you go to a new place, you know, there's a quote that says, when you're in Rome, be like a Roman. Like, nah, don't. Be an Indian, dude. Be a good Indian over there. Showcase your culture, show your greatness to them, you know. And these are all the things that I visualize also. That in the future I might be traveling or riding in such countries, you know. That is something that is the things that I'm working on, you know, my next visualization. I don't know. It might take some time. You'll have to put in a lot of hard work for that to happen. But then, you know, there's nothing wrong in visualization. So always keep visualizing, keep visualizing. Trust me, it has worked for me. I am no one to be talking about that. I'm not that big of an achiever or anything. But then if it works for me, it will definitely work for anyone who has a strong mindset and willpower. So that is one thing I want to tell. Abhi ye traffic kab khatam hoga bhai? So yeah, like I said, stay tuned for the next vlog. I think I'll be posting it on the next Sunday or Monday, depending on how I come back from the ride. And also check out this new page of mine on Instagram. I'm posting some reels and stuff over there. So that if you follow me there also, I can give you real-time updates on my rides and stuff. Not that big of a, you know, I don't have that big of a subscriber base, but then everyone has to start somewhere. This is also one of the other part of my visualization, that, you know, how to do good on YouTube. Not for the money's sake, but, you know, it's like a passion, you know. They say once you're doing your adulthood, staying busy is a bliss, you know. Instead of sitting idle at home, I have the bike, I have the resources, I have this camera and a helmet, and I have myself. Just take it out, record your life. You know, that's what is my YouTube bio also, that when I grow old and have nothing to watch, no good movies or anything, you know, I can look back and enjoy my own life as a movie by watching all my videos. Either good or bad, good performing videos or underperforming videos. It's my life, you know. I get to see all the things that I've done. That's why I document the things that I do, you know, so that you have something to look forward to in life. You know, these things I'm talking right now, 20 or 30 years down the line, when I look back into it, I would have been like, "Arey, ye bacha wala version of me kya bol raha hai? What was he thinking?" Because the reality might be something completely different. You never know. So that's another thing that I would say. Like, never think about the future. Forget your past. Live in the present. Stay happy. Stay blessed. So that's it from this vlog. I'll see you in the next vlog in the next weekend when I'm riding to Srisailam. Hopefully, fingers crossed. So till then, stay tuned. Stay subscribed. Keep riding. Goodbye.